I don't speak France.
Okay, you speak what?
Just take medicine?
Yeah.
What did you take?
I took this one right now.
Oh, for the cough? Yeah.
And I will take another one.
She actually sounds a little bit better. It's a very cool 54 degrees here in Rabe de las Calzada. Here's our albergue. It's just waking up. It's 7:02 in the morning, and Francine and I are just about ready to leave. Okay, and she's ready. It's quite chilly out this morning, but I have a neck warmer on that my buddy Jack loaned me, and then you just put, a small hood on and it keeps the warmth in. We have 19 kilometers to go today. It's going to be a long day, and we're taking a potty break right now because maybe one of us is behind this bush. Maybe. Bon voyage.
Pardon? J'ai un billet retour, mais je vais le changer pour le 16 octobre.
Francine told me that these two are 72 years old.
Yes.
They live in France.
Yes.
And they're both widows. And they're walking together. Good morning, ladies. So yesterday when I arrived at the albergue, my left shoulder blade hurt so bad, and it had been kind of uncomfortable for a couple of days, and I thought this morning maybe it's this water bottle weight right on the shoulder. So today I'm going to put the water bottle on the right side, see if it's any better. But right now I almost feel instant relief. We're about 2 kilometers outside the city. Sun's coming up. The two widowers are up ahead of us. They're kicking our ass on this hill, actually. And it's a nice, cool morning. It's going to be a good walk. We have quite a muddy trail today, and Francine's going to lead us through this crap. You have to use your sticks and find the driest way through. Oh, you're just kind of sinking in it. Oh, God.
No, just come here.
Okay.
Just come here.
Okay.
Just come here.
That's why I have Francine go first, so she can do the recon.
Oh, look, my boot! Let me take a picture.
Let me see your boot. Put your boot up.
Yeah, look at that!
All the sunflowers are facing the sunrise. So, see these windmills here? Francine said she doesn't like them. She says they destroy the planet and they kill birds. And I fall on the side of it's harnessing energy, free energy. I don't want to open up a can of worms here, but what do you say? I mean, why am I tiptoeing over this subject? She said they kill birds. Well, if a bird is can't see that, maybe we should evolutionarily lose the bird. And you know I'm a big animal lover. Where do you fall on this? For me, it's harnessing the wind and creating energy, and it's green energy. But don't equate that to like, you know, see, you're just tiptoeing over the subject. I mean, it's not as controversial as like pineapple on a pizza, is it? You can see a town. It's about 2 kilometers away, but this hill is very steep, and you just can't tell from the picture how steep it is. So we just need to go really, really slow on it. Because I told Francine, one fall or one injury and your Camino's over.
Yes.
We are in Hontanas, and we're in this little shop here, and you can get all the little things that you need. Like I'm running out of toothpaste. There's toothpaste. I'm gonna buy that. Soap, aloe vera, shampoo, a Compeed, cornflakes, band-aids, combs.
Look, it's a cream.
Brava! I got a bonus stamp from this guy. We're 469 kilometers away from Santiago. There it is. And he's got this great little store. And he said, hey, I have a bathroom here if you want to go look at my bathroom. Or not look at it, but if you want to use it. So this guy's a cool guy. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to get a bonus stamp. You don't choose a life, you live one. Nice. Whole Camino, we started here in St. Jean-Pied-de-Port, France, and we've come all the way here. So but we're only here, the whole Camino. And this is the halfway point, and we'll be there in a couple of days. Really wanted a coffee, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Just everything looks closed and deserted, a ghost town. And it's, I don't know, 9 o'clock? It shouldn't be a ghost town, but it totally is. Tell me how many kilometers to the next town.
Camillo, we are 5.70 for a royal symbol.
I'm gonna be cranky for 5.70 kilometers.
Yeah, and after that?
They had no coffee, and I really wanted my second coffee.
Oui, tu vous acheter de l'eau, une orange, une banane.
Ouais, c'est pareil, nous aussi.
Il y avait, mais on n'a pas ça, là.
And here's Hontanas. It's just a little town that sits in a bowl. I told Francine, here it is. Yeah, it's just sitting in the... Then you blink and you miss it. Very well hidden.
That's correct. If you don't want to do that, if you don't need to do that, don't do that.
Never know if you're gonna get a top bed or a bottom bunk, but this one I'm on the top. Yeah, nice ladder. I've seen worse. So I'm just making my bed. Bed number 1. First thing you do. Okay. So I've got my bag. My supersonic S hook right here is gonna hold this. Okay. Extremely nice albergue. There's the showers in there. And Francine got bed 28. She's over here. Hello. Francine's making her bed. And I have hung my laundry out. Now this is laundry from yesterday that didn't dry. Transported in this bag.